Hello. So today we're going to be talking about 5 mistakes that could stop your video from going viral. So if you're regularly creating video content for your social media platforms, and some of them do really well, and some of them are a complete flop, then stick around because I'm going to be sharing 5 mistakes that could be reducing the reach of your videos and limiting how many people actually watch them. So I'm Bex from Social Media Executive, and I train businesses how to excel on social media. Today, I'm also going to be giving away my free social media content planning toolkit. So I've got a discount code at the end of this video that will let you access it for free. Because let's face it, when we're all creating lots of videos for our social media, we do need a bit of a plan. So this social media content planner will help you to do that. And it's really simple. And I'm going to give you a coupon code that will get 100% off for that as well. So do stick around to the end of the video. So anyway, we're live again today on a Monday, and we're going to be talking about videos. So I'm going to be sharing 5 little tips. Okay, and if you're a member of the social flock, please do say hello. It's our social media member support group. So we are streaming live into that group today. And if you want to become a member of our social flock, if you're not creating enough video content and you need some accountability to do it, then please do join the social flock with Barbara here, who's our mascot, and we will help you to create compelling video content. So let's have a think then about our videos. When we are creating social media videos, particularly when we're really busy, then quite often we don't put enough thought into those videos. And actually, sometimes it's some really simple little things that can affect your videos and massively reduce the reach. That actually, if you'd have thought about it, it's really easy to implement into your videos ahead of time. So the first one then, the first big mistake that I see a lot of companies making on their videos is they don't do an opening hook. Okay. Now, an opening hook, what that means is a little message right at the beginning of the video to say why, what's the point of people watching this video. Okay. So for today, I said I'm going to give you 5 hooks, five mistakes that people have made on their social media videos. Okay, and I said that straight away so that hopefully people who are struggling to get a high reach on the videos will want to know what these mistakes are, because they might be making them. So we're hooking people in, we're drawing people in right from the beginning. Because if you think about videos on social media, people are scrolling through. You've got to grab their attention straight away. And it's common knowledge that you've got about 3 seconds to actually capture people's attention and engage them and hook them in to make them want to watch more of your video. If you've not got a good hook, they might get bored and think, what's in it for me? I'm not going to bother watching it. Oh, hi, Lucy. Nice to see you. Thanks for saying hello. Again, if you're watching this, please do join the chat, introduce yourselves, tell me who you are. And again, even if you're watching this on catch up, please do say hello. I love to say hello to people. It means people are actually watching, which is great. Please do leave a comment. Okay, so the second mistake then that people make is they don't connect with their audience. Okay, so when you're creating a video, you really need to think about, okay, what is it my audience want to see? But also, are they going to connect with you, with your video? And particularly if you're doing a video with people in it, like myself, and you're talking into the camera, then you need to look at your camera. So many times I see people talking to their audience and they're talking like this, and they're not looking at the camera, and they're looking over here, and they're doing anything but looking at the camera. But actually, it's eye contact. You need to have eye contact to connect with your audience. So whether you're doing your video on your laptop, whether you're doing it on your phone, figure out where your actual camera is and look straight into it. Making eye contact makes a phenomenal difference to capturing people's attention because it draws them in and they want to watch more. So really do think about that eye contact. I've seen there's a bit of a trend recently where people are sort of sat to the side and they're kind of talking to the side and you're seeing the side of the face, but they're not looking. And personally, you lose that personal connection if you've not got that eye contact. So really, really do think about that eye contact. You want to be open, you want to gesticulate, maybe not too much. I probably gesticulate a bit too much, but use your hands. Again, when we're doing videos, it's known that actually if you use your hands, people generally trust you more. Whereas if you have your hands down here and nobody sees your hands, people don't connect and maybe don't trust you as much. Okay. So that's the second tip. Okay, now don't forget, stay to the end because I'm giving away my free content planner today because we like to give content away for free. So please do stay to the end and I'll give you the code that you need to access that free planner. Okay, so the third mistake then that people make is they don't give away any value in the videos. Okay. So many times I see people going on video and all they want to do is just sell stuff. They want to sell me stuff, or they want to tell me, oh, we've got this event coming up and we've got this. They don't really think about what their audience needs. Okay. They don't really think about why their audience is on the social media. Ultimately, if you're doing a video, you should be there to either entertain them. Okay. Do a bit of juggling if they like juggling. Don't do juggling if they don't like juggling. Entertain them. Entertainment doesn't mean singing and dancing. Okay, we're not on TikTok. TikTok's brilliant, but you can still do really well on TikTok without singing and dancing. When I'm talking about entertaining them, it's about entertaining them on what they're interested in, on what they're passionate about. You might want to educate them on something. So today I'm doing an educational video about videos. So again, I'm educating people on some of the mistakes that people make. Or you want to make an emotional connection. You want to resonate with your audience. You want to provide them a solution to maybe a challenge that they have. Or you want to be clear that you understand what they need, what they want, and your video provides it. Because if it's of interest to them, they're going to want to watch it. Okay, so you really do have to tap into what your audience values, what they want to see. And it's going to be different for everybody because everybody is different and everybody likes watching different things. Okay, so that's the third thing, is really, people just don't think about the value they're giving to the audience, and it's essential. Okay, so the fourth thing then, so the fourth tip, again, this gets a little bit technical now. Only a bit technical because I don't like technical stuff. But basically, you want to think about the length of your video. The length of your video is critical. Okay. The shorter the video, the longer, the higher the percentage rate that people are likely to watch. Okay. So for example, if I did a 30-second video, then I might be able to grab someone's attention for 30 seconds, and that's 100% of that video watched. Therefore, they've watched 100% of the video. It's telling the little robots, the algorithms, it doesn't matter what platform you're on, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, whichever platform you're creating that video for, they are monitoring percentage watch time. And if people are watching to the end, the robots will go, oh, this is a pretty good video. We're gonna share this to more people. People are watching to the end of this video. It's of value. Whereas if they drop off at about 5% and they're only watching 5% of your video because it's half an hour long, then it's going to be classed as a not very interesting video because people are dropping off. So watch time is essential. You've got to try and get people watching to the end, okay? And one of the ways you can do this is by sharing your best tip to the end, which is what I've done today, by the way. The best tip, the easiest tip to help with the visibility of your videos, I've saved it to the end, okay? Give them an offer at the end. So today I said, you know, you're getting my content planner for free today. It's normally $24.99. I'm going to give you the code and the link. Okay, but only if you stay and watch to the end. Again, I'm trying to encourage people to stay to the end of that video, okay, by offering a little incentive. So today I put it in the chat. This is my incentive that I'm going to give you today to try and keep you watching to the end. And obviously, hopefully you're getting some value out of this as well. Okay. Right. So the final tip then, my fifth tip, and this is the tip that drives me crazy because it's one of the easiest things to do and people don't do it. And it's essential if you've got people talking in your video. So the fifth one then is captions, okay? Putting captions, automated captions on your video. So a study was done by Version Media. They studied 5,616 people they surveyed about videos and whether they watch videos with the sound off or on, okay? 69% of people watch social media videos with the sound off. And interestingly, in private, if they're watching videos in private, 25% still watch videos with sound off, okay? So again, if you're putting captions on there, they're much more likely to watch it. If you think about your Facebook videos, if you go onto Facebook, it doesn't automatically play with the sound on. So how are you going to capture their attention if they can't hear you? How are you going to hook them in if they can't hear you? Well, obviously you can put a bit of a title in the captions, in the description of the video. But actually what you want to do is by adding in automated captions. So the captions come up underneath automatically as they're reading them, okay? And this is dead easy to do. So it's really, really easy to do. It's on Instagram, on Facebook Reels, on TikTok, you know, on YouTube. You can basically put automated captions in. You just toggle it. There's different buttons you can use, depending what platform you're on, but there's a button that you can use to add automated captions to your videos. So you don't even have to do any editing. You don't even have to type them in. So please, please, please do use captions. It's also been shown to see that actually if you put captions on your video, 80% of people are much more likely to watch it to the end, okay? So again, captions are really, really important. Oh, thanks, Ingrid. Thanks for saying hello. I'm glad you're enjoying my tips. Okay. So those are 5 mistakes that people often make when creating social media videos. They don't have a good hook. They don't connect with their audience. They don't provide value in the video. The videos are far too long and they don't add automated captions to their videos. So thanks for watching. I'm going to give you the code now for the planner that I mentioned. If you have got any questions, please do let me know. Lucy's got a question there for me, so I'm going to answer that in a second. And I will just give you the code as well for the video, for the free planner as well. I'll pop that in the chat. Okay, so software do I recommend to add captions? So Lucy, I tend to use automated captions, so you can automatically add them on Instagram, on Facebook, in your reels and that sort of thing. Also on YouTube, if I'm doing a video, you can download the script if you like. If you're repurposing your video elsewhere, you can take the script and then do captions, create captions in different software from there. There's loads of different tools. YouTube, again, will add automated captions. You just need to click a button in there. I also use a brilliant video editing tool called Opus Clips. So if I've done a long video like this, it will take a clip of 30 seconds. And again, I will upload it into Opus Clips and it will automatically create captions for me as well. So again, there are lots and lots of different ways, but most social media platforms these days can add them automatically to your videos. So if you want a copy of my social media planning toolkit, it's a brilliant Excel spreadsheet. It's a great way of planning your videos in advance, and it will really help you to basically get organized and get consistent videos going out there. So I'm going to pop it in the chat, but basically what you want to be doing is you want to use this code, go to checkout and pop this code in. Okay, so Planner VIP, pop this in at checkout. When you've added the content planning toolkit to your cart, add Planner VIP as the coupon code on there, and it will basically give you that planning toolkit for free. So again, please, if you're watching this, please do give us a thumbs up that you've enjoyed it. Ask me any questions if you're watching this on catch up. I do like questions. Thank you so much to Lucy and Ingrid for saying hello today, and I will not see you again next week live. I'm away next week, but we'll see you again the week after. So thanks for watching, guys, and again, any questions, do let me know. See you all again soon. Bye.